I don't know what to make of it. What I've done is I've wired up and I've just powered one side of this coil. And then I've got a voltmeter and an oscilloscope tied to the other one, showing right at 3 volts AC. Nothing else hooked up. It's just this coil right here is hooked up. I've got input on one side and just drawing the current off the other, drawing the voltage off the other. And then there's the output. The top is set at 2 volts per division. The bottom is set at 1 volt per division. And the top is the coil that's not powered up. The 1 volt per division coil is the one that's drawing power right now. And it seems to be outputting 5 volts to the other cheap little meter, measuring it at 3 volts. Kind of interesting. I don't know quite what to think of all this shit.